All right, everybody, welcome to my presentation. I have a new affiliate marketing program or system that pays up to $500 commissions instantly and residuals. So it's going to be a short little presentation. I'm going to take you through it. If you want to access this and check this out for yourself, which I highly recommend you do, the link's going to be directly below in the video description box, along with a link to sign up to for my 20 free AI marketing tool. So make sure you take advantage of that. With that being said, affiliate marketing has changed forever. The old way is dead. The new way pays bigger, faster, and smarter. Traditional affiliate programs are paying pennies while others earn $500 plus per sale. Smart marketers are stacking offers and building lifetime residual income streams. This is a revolutionary platform that is turning competitors into collaborators. Everyone's working together hand in hand to benefit each other. Like I said, there's $500 commissions per sale. It's a high-ticket income system, affiliate marketing system. You don't need to create your own product, but you have an opportunity to do that as well. So there's both opportunities. You can either not create your own product, or if you do have your own product, this is a perfect platform to put it on. Like I said, you can earn $500 instant commissions on every qualifying sale you generate. High-ticket products mean fewer sales needed to reach significant income goals. No product creation, unless you want to, fulfillment, or customer service required on your end. This is a perfect system for product creators and affiliate marketers alike, and it's new, and it's the hottest thing to hit the market since about 2014. It's a really big opportunity, and it's backed by one of the industries. He's a household name. I'll name him at the end. But it's backed by somebody that's very well known and already runs a successful billion-dollar business. Number 3 here, lifetime residuals. You're going to build recurring monthly commissions that never stop. You're going to earn 1.5% on all sales from people you personally refer to the platform, and actually that goes up to 2%. You got to check it out for yourself, but it's an excellent opportunity. So you bring somebody into the platform, they end up creating a product, and you're going to get a piece of every sale that they generate on that platform. And the same thing goes with affiliates. Receive 0.5% on sales made by your referrals, second-tier earnings. And I think that went up to 1%, but check to be sure. Like I said, the link's below. Income continues as long as your network remains active. No expiration date, so that's huge. So you're going to learn lifetime residuals. You're going to build recurring monthly commissions that never stop. Number 4. Earn 2% forever. Get paid in every referral sale with compounding income. Earn up to 2% forever. There's different statuses. Silver, gold, depending on where you're at. And it tells you how you can earn these. Silver status, total commission, reach $1,000 earnings, or 5 proceeds. Gold status, this is the one you're going to want to get in on. 2% total commissions, or reach $100,000 earnings, or pay. And then they got the certification. Earnings compound as your referral network grows and as you generate more sales. So this can all be unlocked where you can earn 2% forever under gold status, and that's for a limited time here. Number 5, stack multiple offers in one funnel where you can combine recurring and high-ticket offers to burst AOV. Build complementary products from multiple creators into seamless customer journeys. The average order value increases 67% when offers are strategically stacked together. Customers get complete solutions while each creator earns from the combined sale. So this is a lot more powerful than traditional affiliate marketing. You're going to get paid for everybody you bring into the platform, whether it be product creators or affiliates. So you're going to get paid on both ends of the table. So that is huge. Number 6, get paid instantly. This is really cool. You're going to get automatic split payments with no waiting weeks for your money. Sellers receive immediate payments via Stripe integration to their connected bank accounts. Affiliates get 30-day hold and instant withdrawal access with global support. Automated revenue splitting eliminates manual tracking, disputes, and delay payments. So it all happens in real time. They split up the payments in real time, and you get paid automatically to your account. Number 7, and 7 in the last one here. There's actually 8, so second from last. Team up to scale faster. Collaborate with other marketers through shared funnels and audiences. Like I said, everybody's going to be working together here. Access the collab library to discover high-converting offers from other successful creators. Cross-pollinate audiences and expand your reach through strategic partnerships. Network effects create exponential growth as partnerships multiply your opportunity. And finally, we got unlock this new platform today. Join the collaborative commerce revolution. What you get, up to $500 in high-ticket commissions, lifetime residual income streams you can build up, 2% forever in referral commissions on everybody you bring into the system. That applies for product creators, or if you want to be a product creator, you can do that as well. You don't have to if you don't want to. And affiliates as well. So you're going to get paid on whoever you bring in. So say you bring in some big product creator that ends up selling hundreds of thousands of dollars. And this is that's not going to happen often. But you bring in somebody that actually sells a lot of products, you're going to get a piece of every sale that they generate. So it can really add up when you start bringing people into this platform. And it's a very good offer, and it's not going to be hard to get people into this offer. How it works, you're going to stack offers in collaborative funnels, get paid instantly with automated splits, scale through strategic partnerships. So what I want you to do now is click the link in the description and the comments to get started. It's free to join, no monthly fees, pay only when you earn. Early adopter advantages are available now. And like I said, this is backed by one of the biggest names in the internet marketing world, Russell Brunson, if you heard of him. He runs ClickFunnels, and it's $1 billion company. So this is his new product that is actually groundbreaking, and it's a huge opportunity for affiliates and product creators alike. So if you want to check this out, which I highly suggest you do, it's free to get started. There's a link directly below in the video description box, along with my link to my 20 free AI marketing tools. So check this out. You're going to want to get in now and build yourself, get people under you and build your system up so you can make, good money with this platform, because it's set to take off. This is like ClickFunnels in the early stages. So if you missed ClickFunnels back in the day, you're going to want to get on this. This is going to be your second chance right here. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future video updates. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.